Okay, so let's go down here. And yep, sure enough, it looks like it has already connected to something, and there it is. Wireless LAN-0IT, and it says connected. And if I check on the properties, go to the security tab and show characters, it's using the exact same AES passphrase. So that's our proof. That is how 0IT works. So once again, to recap, on the network administrator side, you had to configure some sort of wireless LAN that was using some sort of encryption. Doesn't have to do WPA. You could have done it with WEP if you wanted to, although we don't recommend that you use WEP. But some sort of encryption method that had a passphrase. Once that wireless LAN was up, you could test it by manually typing in the passphrase. Then you enabled the 0IT feature by just checking a single box. Then you had to go in and configure a role, configure some username and passwords are associated to that role, and then give to your clients via email or verbally or something the steps to connect. You'd have to tell them, here's the URL that ends with /activate, connect to this. Once you connect to that URL via the wired network, provide your credentials, which in my case was 0IT user. That was my username and password. That would then allow them to get access to the prov.exe file. Once they downloaded and ran that file, that would automatically provision their wireless LAN adapter to recognize this wireless LAN, and it automatically provisioned it with the correct network security key. So I hope that was useful to you. Now we're going to next go into part 2 of this lab, where we're going to take this existing 0IT feature and add one other feature or element to it, which is DPSK, Dynamic Pre-Shared Keys. And that's going to be in part 2 of this lab. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.